Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, with my Hornby points and a bit of cash, I bought this. It's class 60. Now, I won't show you my address, but look at what they sent it in. This is the postage label, and literally, I'm very lucky that there's a bit of bubble wrap with it, but here I'm lucky it hasn't been bashed. Well, it has been dropped, but luckily the box looks good. Look at that. So we're doing an unboxing today and a putting on the track and a little run on the track. So this is the 1-to-1 collection because they've got it at Margate, and how does that look? The other phone's going off. It's 21 pin. That's what it looks like. Now, get it out the box. Should be able to do it while we're on the camera. There you go. Comes packaged in the old ice cube. Let's get it out for you. Get some notes, which everybody else shows. Let me put that there. That box is nice. There's loads of info on the back as well about it. Look, I'm assuming it's at Margate, and that's why it's in that. Now this is on the Hornby website at the moment at a discount. It's on for $149.99, but you have to type the code in R30373 because it's not in the sale, but it's got 100 quid off. So anyway, right, it comes with some little name plates and stuff in there. There's two lots of name plates and a name coupling. We'll leave that where it is. Let's get it out. Let's take this off. Stuck onto something. My terrible videoing. Wow, it's bloody heavy. And there it is. If you can see that, probably not. One sec. Need to lower this down a bit. One sec. Let's have a laugh. Lower it down. See it better. How's that? So this is the class 60. And it's summer. What is it here? Anyway, it's a good looking thing. Now I'm trying to find something to open. So it's got nice etched. You can see straight through that. You can see that from there, can't you? Got nice etched stuff there. It's got these doors are good. Watch this. You don't get this on the curious scale. Watch. And open the door. See? And there's 4 doors, and all 4 doors open as well. Show you the close up. Look at that. See straight in there. There's the front. Trying to get it to not zooming on my hand. The bogey detail is amazing. Look at that. Lovely. And there's that. The other door opens as well. Watch. I don't want to keep opening it. I might not come open again. Very nice. Underneath there's a day and night switch for your lighting. So if you're on DC, my nails are terrible, you just switch them over. Okay, and the other side. To the side, just a bit different. I think there's only one etch thing on this side, on that bit there. See that? There's loads of detail on this bogey stuff. Absolutely beautiful. There's the top. And that's that. That is the, squeaky. That's the ends. This is the end here. Look at that. One end's got the name on, one end doesn't. This doesn't, but it's got like a chain thing on there that moves. It's got sprung buffers. So I'm reviewing this because I've not seen anybody review it. So, and I got it at a decent price. It's got kinetic couplings. Remember, it's not the Akura scale one, but the Hornby one, it's got some bloody weight to it. So it's the Hornby R30373 1-to-1 collection Isambard Kingdom Brunel train, class 60, blah 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 blah. Right, so what I'm going to do, stick it on the layout and I'll be right back. So here it is on the layout and it's looking good. Just trying to see if I can wind this down a bit. How's that? Look better for you? And obviously we want to see if it works, don't we? That's what we're all here for. So here we go. Look at that. Don't even make a noise. Bring it back, one sec. Okay, alright, what I need to do is like a different shot, don't I, like that? Oh my god, all this flashing light. Right, here we go, there you go. Runs really well. It's gone. I'll bring it back, one sec. It's flashing like that, I don't know why. Right, so let's put it back. What we could do with is some carriages to go around with it, so just one sec. Runs very smoothly. That looks really good. Right, it's coming back around in a minute. One sec. Try and get a different angle on this. Here we are. Here it comes again. Doesn't that look good? As you can see, it's a very good looking model. I really like it. I've not got anything in this colour, so yeah, it's got striking level of detail on all this lining and everything everywhere, and all the bogies. It's amazing actually. Got lovely little horns on it and everything. I think they're adjustable. And anyway, I think it's nice. Pardon me. I'll zoom in on that there. Can I zoom in on that? There we go. That's what it looks like that. It's a really good loco. You can get it at Hornby now for 150. I know it's dearer everywhere else, so it's worth a look. I really like it. I hope you do too, and enjoyed my sort of okay review of it. Let's look at the top of it again. One sec. There you go, it's probably better off like that. It's better looking in it. Yeah, but I really like it, and I hope you do too. And thanks for watching. I've not seen a review of this, so I thought I'd do a review of this one. Even the front looks smart. If I push it back, which I know you're not supposed to do, and zoom in there. Look how smart it looks there. It's very cute, isn't it? Right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share if you can. I'm going holiday next week, so you're probably not going to make videos after the end of next week for at least a week, so I'm not here. So, but anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again. Bye. See ya.